Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to save a web page as PDF in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Navigate to the web page you want to save. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Select Print. Click the Destination drop-down menu and choose Save as PDF. Click the Pages drop-down menu and select the pages you want to save. Now click the Layout drop-down menu and choose whether you want to save in portrait mode or landscape mode. Click on More Settings to change the additional settings. When you are happy with the preview, click on Save. Click on Save. This is how you can save a web page as PDF in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.